Today, we are excited to introduce our innovation project, titled Chemical Spill Kit. As a team of 7 dedicated lab assistants, we recognize the critical importance of safety and preparedness in laboratory environments. The Chemical Spill Kit has been designed to provide an efficient and effective solution for managing hazardous spills, ensuring the health and safety of all personnel while minimizing environmental impact. Our project aims to streamline response procedures, thereby reducing the potential risks associated with chemical spills. A spill kit is a collection of tools and materials used to clean up and dispose of hazardous materials or spills. The contents of a spill kit depend on the type of spill that might occur, such as chemicals, biohazards, or radioisotopes. There are different types of spill kits, including chemical spill kits, used for spills of corrosive chemicals and hazardous liquids. These kits can absorb acids, alkalis, oil, water, and coolants. Mercury spill kits provide targeted control for mercury spills, preventing toxic exposure. Designed for healthcare, labs, and facilities handling mercury, they enable efficient cleanup. These kits contain specialized tools that ensure safety and thorough containment. Identify the substance. Open door and window for ventilation. Use absorbent materials to soak up the liquid. For small spills, you can sprinkle cat litter directly onto the spill. These absorbents will soak up liquids and help neutralize mild chemicals or acids. After the spill has been absorbed, collect the used absorbent material and place it in plastic bags. Seal the bags tightly to avoid contamination. After using the spill kit, check which materials were used and replenish them immediately. This ensures the spill kit is ready for future use. At the core of our DIY spill kit innovation is the belief that safety and preparedness shouldn't come with a hefty price tag. Many spill kits on the market are overpriced, making them inaccessible for small businesses or individuals who still need the protection they provide. By designing our own affordable, effective DIY spill kit, we aim to show that it is possible to prioritize safety and environmental responsibility without breaking the budget. We managed to reduce expenses from 2,970 Malaysian ringgit to 896 Malaysian ringgit, resulting in a savings profit of 69.8%. We hope to empower others to take proactive steps in managing spills efficiently, demonstrating that cost-effective solutions can be just as reliable as their expensive counterparts. Through this innovation, we envision a world where safety is accessible to all, no matter the size of their budget.